Welcome to Las Vegas Trader YouTube channel and the weekly analysis video. Let's try to keep this video under 20 minutes. Um, I don't want to keep it very long. 10 to 15 would be perfect. But let's just jump right in and see what the charts look like and what they're telling us. Okay, let's start with S&P 500. The ES on the daily chart looks like we're a little bit overextended, and we are right at support. I mean resistance. Sorry about that, resistance. So we're probably going to be seeing a little pullback. This is the daily, weekly, as you can see, right over here, all-time highs. Um, so we're going to see a little resistance and probably a pullback. And this is the monthly chart, as you can see, strong green bar off of 20-day moving average, right to resistance and the all-time highs. So let's take a look at NASDAQ. All the indices will probably look very similar. Some will be more powerful than others, but they're all pretty much the same. NASDAQ, same thing as S&P 500. We are sitting at all-time highs. So this is resistance. And if we're going to see a pullback, we take this green candle out, maybe right to the 20-day moving average would be my prediction. This is the weekly chart. So sitting right at resistance. So get a strong move to the upside. And of course, this is the monthly chart. Dow Jones, really strong, broke through the all-time highs. We're sitting at 37,784. So very overextended. So we will probably see a pullback on a weekly chart. Same thing as the other indices, and the monthly, we see a breakthrough and sitting at all-time highs. So Russell 2000 daily chart. Yeah, I mean, this is super 3 points of resistance sitting right at it. And so we will see a pullback probably. Nothing is guaranteed, but on a weekly chart, same thing. So a pullback will probably be seen just like with the other indices, sitting at resistance. So let's go look at the crude oil daily chart. We had a really powerful move to the downside. We are sitting at support, and we did take out this red candle with 2 days, and I see probable move to the upside. This is the daily chart. This is the weekly, right at 200-day moving average with the bottoming tail. So that confirms my prediction of move to the upside. And on a monthly chart, um, we are sitting right at the 50 and the 200-day moving average. So once this bar becomes green, more move to the upside will happen. I assume. This is the gold. TradingView for some reason did not fill this bar all green. I don't know what's going on, but this is a solid green bar, and it's showing a bottoming tail for some reason. I don't know what's going on. So this is daily chart. Huge move to the downside, hit the all-time highs, rejection, and we moved down. This is the daily chart. So now we broke through this 3-day red movement to the downside, and we see a pullback to the 20-day moving average. So there will, of course, there's resistance um, right over 2100. This is the monthly chart. So I'm thinking it's going to move to the upside this week. This is silver, same thing as gold. Huge move to the downside, rejection of the all-time, well, not all-time highs, but right at resistance. Gold broke through the all-time highs and then just got rejected. So we broke through all the moving averages, and then again, this bar should have been green, all green. I don't know why it's not showing correctly. But we are sitting right at 20-day moving average on a daily chart, weekly chart. 200-day moving average acted as support, so we bounced back up, and now once we close above this red bar, more upside should happen. Um, Same thing on the monthly chart. The 20-day moving average and the 50 acted as support, so it bounced back up. And once we break through the $26 or so, more upside will probably happen. Bitcoin, let's go with the daily chart. This is the futures. So let's go with the forex. This is pricing. Strong move, like I predicted. It would hit 40,000. As you remember, if you look at the other older weekly review videos, I predicted 40,000. I believe maybe 45,000 or so. No, I think I maybe said 47,000 or so right over here, but we did not go that high. So uh, we will see probably a pullback. I mean, it's having a hard time now breaking through this red bar. It tried and then it came back, but now 20-day moving average is acting as support. So once we break through all this move and break below it, close below it, 50-day moving average is the next target. And this is the daily chart, the weekly. What's going on here? Um, this is the weekly chart. So we will probably see a pullback again, just like on a daily chart. And the monthly, so we did have a rejection because of this resistance right over here, right around 45,000 or so. So a pullback is most likely be seen in the upcoming days. The dollar index, let's go with the daily chart. So we had a move down and it broke through the 200-day moving average, pulled back to the 20 and back, got slammed, but now it's showing move to the upside. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Once we this green move up, it's pretty powerful. So we had retracement pretty much about 50% or so, a little bit maybe 66%. So if we see this green bar taken out, we will see move to the upside continue. And on the monthly chart, we did, as you can see, it did hit support 101, 102, let's call it, and bounce back. So now we just need to close above 104 or 104 and change, and then move to the 112 or so. So this is it. Please like the video, share, and subscribe if you haven't done already. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, and share with anyone and everyone you think might like and benefit from this content. Thank you. See you in the next one.